Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. So in this video, I am going to explain about how to display the string in reverse order. Here, I am taking one string, a simple string I am taking, string equals to same, so Java I am taking. Here, this is how the memory will be allocated, and this S is pointing to this one. But now we need to display in reverse order. Reverse order means from this location to this location, loop we need to repeat in reverse order. For integer I equals to, right, how to start from the last location. The total length is 4 because 4 characters are present. So the length minus 1 is a 4 minus 1. Here S dot length, it will give 4 minus 1, so it starts with the 3. I value starts with 3. Next up to 0, so that is I greater than or equal to 0 because decreasing order, so we should stop here. So greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. How it executes? First 3 greater than or equal to 0, yes, condition is true, come inside. It will print system.out.println. How to display? S dot caret of I. S dot caret of I, because I value first 3. So when you pass the index 3 in a string, the element which is at index 3 will come. Next I minus minus, it will become 2. Still condition is true. 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Second location. It will become 1. 1 greater than or equals to 0. Next it will become 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0. So it will print that AVAJ. In reverse order, it will give the output. This is the simple way of displaying. If you want to display in forward direction, 0 to length minus 1. If you want to display in reverse order, length minus 1 to 0. We already good at how to work with the for loop. How to repeat the for loop in forward direction as well as in backward direction. The only thing is what? You need to call the caret method and passing the I value. Okay, so please practice. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.